today's hiking adventure, hiking experience that we need to try is we are here in Wadi Alayat. Same as usual. We did the Vanessa over here. Last night we camped last night. Unfortunately, it was not the best weather because it was too hot inside the tent. But nevertheless, it's an enjoyable one. Oh, outdoor adventure on the mountains of UAE is over. So maybe this is the last, but not the least, of course. So let's go, guys. See you later in the trail. Let's move on.
Asa? Asa ilalo. Ito, sa nangaranak. Ato sa gamay.
So that part or that area, I think the wadis, just the water left. Maybe it's a flowing water from the dam. I didn't see the dam yet. So guys, today's hike is a special one because ito mga kauban kay mga gahi ba. Say yan pa. Yung mga kauban na. Remember back then, Gracia. So without planning, I was expecting that this trail will be easy to navigate because it's just around the valley of the Wadis. So let's see how far we go. Naami ko alam sa Wadi Al Hayat, Subsaya pa jump, but it's not about that because there's no water left. So what we looking forward for this hike is the scenery because it's surrounded with the mountains, the wadis, but we need to finish as early as we can because we can't bear to walk back under the 35-degree above heat of the sun here because summer is officially back in United Arab Emirates. So without further ado, let's move forward and kicking our ass. See you, mate.
Nakita natin, ha?
The sisters, two sisters and the wedding, dito clear pa ang tubig oh.
Kaya naman ang sasakyan ni ate yun, pero di lang natin alam kung dadaan. Reverse pa pala ito. Ganda talaga yung effect ng ano doon.
The view here is picturesque, beautiful. Another valley, another wadi that I love to visit again here in Wadi Layat. I love how it's set up because it's the water flowing inside of mountains, you know. And then other guys are finding a way to cross.
Nakabato din, sir. Hindi, oh. Kaya lang, sir, oh. Ayun yan. Okay, catch. Talaga pag may guys. Ay! Oh, one more. Ano, oh. Diyan sa ano. Table na ba? Thank you.
Doon, pwede umakyat doon oh. Mel, tara.
Wadi Layat. Wadi Layat.
Ay, sayang. Sayang hindi pa na ano. Pagdating sa labanan, kailangan ng karaya. Ay, pwede diri, oh. Ganito, kanina kami nag-ingon, Adi. Ano na maligo? Balik na. Ligo kay ko. Bahala. Pislog lang.
Ligo talaga ako.
Magbuk ka na, basa? Hindi na.
Di pa pinag-isipan. Talagang lumusog na.
Paano yan? May isip ko na lang.
Lalo, pwede na, oh.
Tapos surrounded by the valley, both left and right. Tsaka hindi siya masyadong ano, even doon na magpagsikat ng araw din, may dilim pa rin siya ba. Ganda. Mga let's see what's there. Ooh, a mini lake forest. Ayun na nga mga ma'am sir. I didn't expect this beautiful Wadi Lairis. Kasi when I was searching for the internet, photos and videos of the area, because we wanted to camp, you know. So the hike was just a second option. If the weather is good, then we will do the hike. But my purpose is to camp. At ayun na nga, buti na lang at nag-hike kami kasi ganito kaganda yung view niya. Sobra. So it was a good decision that we do the hike because we wanted to camp, only, but we woke up early in the morning, so ayun, nag-decide kami na mag-hike na. Tapos ganito pala kaganda yung Wadi Layat, 'di ba? So why not? If there's some wadis that I wanted to visit again, this is one of the places I want to visit again because ang daming camping spot din sa area na di namin na-discover kasi doon lang kami sa may bungad eh. Dito pala na mas maganda pa siya. And I think a 4x4 car will be able to manage to come here. You know?
Tawa ka kasi, te. What's funny? What's funny?
Funny sad. Dito, be. Isang apak din eh. Dito. Tapos dito.
What I will do?
Hala. Funny face.
Dapat pala yung dalawa.
Wala. Wait, isa pa. Wala akong daan mo tao pa. Wala ko sala, shorts pala.
So guys, the people decided to stop by here because they wanted to swim. They're ready for their swimming gears whatsoever, tawag doon.
Hello. Ito sa'yo.
And I think if we go straight there, if we continue that wadi, so naman yung ano nun, kadulo ng kabilang side ng ano, Wadi Layat. Pwede naman may dumaan may bundok side. Which is yung sa tapat ng camp din namin, campside. May mountain part din na pwede mo akyatan. Trail dito. So poison na tayo. So kung ganyan sa Wadi Layat Trail, madali lang siyang navigate. Hindi ka mawawala kasi yung wadis lang yung susundan mo. If yung gusto mo namang umakyat ng konti sa may bundok, hindi siya nakakawala. Diba? Ang ganda rin ang area. Pwede din umakyat dun, no? Ganda rin ng rock formations, no? Really, I didn't expect. That's beautiful, Manila it is. So the kids are enjoying their pan now.
Kita mo, ang dumi mo talaga, Jo. Oh, naglubog na.
Grabe ka!
Ayaw, oh.
Ano yung Wadi Alayat na naman sa'yo? Bugtungan mo!
Sa Wadi Almilisa, di ba?
Oo.
Alayat. Ang hirap naman. Pass muna.
Yeah, so we just fed a herd of cows and a sheep over that mountain there. We have also collected the milk for today's supply, and we also have baked fruits. Kuya, you sent, huh?
Yeah, ito. Water. Tinaw kayo ba? Tinaw pa sin yung relasyon.
Oh my gosh, yung tawag ko. Hi guys!
Hindi, mainit pa sa kape.
Hi guys!
Lalong ba? Tikas.
Hi guys!
Hi guys!
Guys, ang tubig mo, ang utot.
Hi guys!
Hi guys! Ang lalim guys!
Record guys!
Hi guys!
Tagalog pwede, English.
Hi guys!
Korean.
Hi guys lang. Hi guys lang yung alam kong sabihin. Hi guys, we're here.
Sa Wadi Al-Layat.
Wadi
Hayat.
super
Layat.
duper worth it.
Layat gani.
I'm going to go there. See you there. See you there.
Uma na lang, punta ulit.
Super enjoy guys.
At yun na nga guys, after a 2 hours and a half, I think, yes. So we're heading back to the campsite because the sun is up there, which is mainit na din siya. Kaya balik na tayo. Ang ganda ng Wadi Alayat. Kaya if you have the chance before summer, totally conquers Wadi. So, punta na kayo dito, may tubig pa. Pwede pa kayong magligo-ligo ba, maglangoy-langoy.
Yes, guys.
Nice kayo. Ha? So, see you next time. And thank you for watching. This is your travel friend, Wadi Explorer of Day Plan, saying bye-bye.
Sikate ko anjo. Dali. Oh, tate. Kasi, pag excited yan.